That buzzing's coming from the car elevator here. Anyway, this is the main passenger elevator for 930 Penn Lofts, I believe, in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This was originally a Westinghouse, but sadly modernized with GAL Jet II fixtures RWB. Westinghouse. Obviously double service, go down the garage. Here you go down. Low balance secure ground or garage. 2 screen doors on both sides. Kind of like a side configuration, kind of interesting. Up to 6. Yeah, chime doesn't work on the front side, which is weird. Here we go up on the rear side. Whoa. Port 6. That opens on this side. Let's go back down to 1. 8A phone. Basic padded cab. Again, obviously doubles as a service, but there's also a car elevator here. I think same brand with Courion doors. Not sure what brand either of them are. Obviously they're the same brand because they both have GAL. I think the car elevator was a new install. This one was originally Westinghouse. Here back 1. I think 1 may be the only landing opens over here. I'm not sure though. It's bouncy. Still buzzing. I don't know why. Maybe that's something else that's buzzing. Our cousin, that's gonna be it.